How to invest in property with little money. The first quarters of 2008 have seen a paradigm shift in terms of investment not just in the UK but worldwide. The traditional route of investing in property has taken an exorbitant downturn, causing an economic knock-on effect of gargantuan proportions. No longer do the more popular property markets of, say, Eastern Europe target buyers from the West, but now look towards Russia, the Middle East and the Orient for investment. Yet there are still many investors out there who are looking for a new means in which to do just that. They are now more security conscious than ever before, and rightly so. With this in mind, an investment company brings to the market ethical and secure alternative investment opportunities, the cream of these being our stamp investment. So why stamps, you may well ask? It may indeed sound ludicrous from the outset, but upon further inspection it makes sense. When comparing the growth in terms of value alongside the more traditional routes such as the FTSE 100 Gold and UK property stamp values have increased considerably in the last few years and outshine the aforementioned categories by a significant margin. Supply and demand is one of the key factors in this, as there are only so many rare stamps left in circulation and no longer in production. Add to this an overwhelming increase in the number of collectors worldwide entering the market, and it serves to increase the value of these rarities at a very encouraging rate. And the collectors in question are not just from the Western nations either. Brazil, India, Russia and China have been recognized as primary locations for collectors, with the latter believed to contain 18 million collectors. When bearing in mind that a recent YouPoll survey estimated a total of 30 million collectors worldwide, it is interesting to see that China accounts for over half. Intriguingly, as China and indeed other nations continue to grow economically stronger, this figure can only increase, the knock-on effect of which will be further continuous increases in value. The current growth in stamp values and the economic downturn in other forms of investment point to the present time to be opportune for entering the rare stamps market. With this in mind, a unique long-term investment opportunity containing both security and a guaranteed minimum return of 5–6% per annum has become available. With the minimum term being 5 years, this represents a minimum guarantee of 25%. Whilst this is intriguing in its own right, there is no ceiling for this investment. If your stamps realize at a higher rate, then so be it, you simply receive more. Our partners for this investment, Stanley Gibbons, are not only market leaders but have been in existence for over 150 years. As official suppliers by choice to the Queen herself, the company holds and proudly displays the Royal Award, a highly sought-after distinction many businesses would willingly pay handsomely for. The company currently holds in excess of £24 million under their management portfolio, which represents an unrivaled level of liquidity. In terms of security, you would be hard-pressed to find another investment with guaranteed returns backed so securely. Investors are now more security conscious than ever before, and rightly so. With this in mind, an investment company brings to the market ethical and secure alternative investment opportunities, the cream of these being our stamp investment.